Hey there, welcome back to one more Agro Business News. My name is Rodrigo Ferreira, International Trading. Today, Martin 17, Agribusiness export grew 2.8 in February with a boost from soy. The export of Brazilian agribusiness in February reached $60.5 billion, representing an increase of 2.8% compared from the same month of the last year, according to analysis by Confederation of Agriculture and Livestock of Brazil (CNA), based on data from Ministry of Economy. The agribusiness trade surplus was 5.2 billion USA dollars last month. In the accumulated results of January and February, foreign sales reached 12.1 billion USA dollars. Port of Paranaguá. Harvest delay impacted export in the first 2 months of this year. The main product of the Brazilian agribusiness export basket last month was the soybean, with a 17.5% share in the total revenue and a value of 1.1 billion USA dollars, although it fell by 33.1% in relation of the previous years in the same month of the last year, reflected in the delay of the harvest due to the high volume of rains. It had a negative impact of shipment in the February. The fresh chicken meat, the second main eaten export in the February, fell by 60.9% last month compared to the February of 2020 and reached the export of 488 million USA dollars. However, CNA point out in a technical communication the volume of shipment registered little variation, which indicates that the dollar increase in the month benefited by Brazilian export. According to the CNA, the most significant increases in the export last month compared to the February 2020 was the corn, with an increase of 158%, which went from 60.60 million to 172 million in 2021, followed by refined sugar with a 95%, whose revenue grew from 68 to 133 million USA dollars, and the soybean retail, which registered an increase of 82.3%. Regarding export destination, 67.5% were directed to the 10 market. China was again the main destination and accounted of 26% of the Brazilian trade basket, followed by European Union almost 17% and the United States a little bit more than 8%. Other Asian countries are also among the main destination with a participation in the Brazilian export, such as Indonesia 3%, Bangladesh 2.8%, Saudi Arabia 2.3%, Japan 2.2%, Vietnam 2%, and Iran 2%. In comparison between February 2021 and February 2020, the highlight was the growth of the Brazilian export of agribusiness product to Indonesia more than 110.9% and to Turkey 41%. And this was one more agribusiness news, and here's in the Imextrader we connect the business globally. If you want a reliable supplier, contact us, get a quote by WhatsApp, our social medias, and send an email, and we'll be in touch to you and follow to the right direction in this market. Thank you so much, and see you next time.